Good day, boys. Men's physique update lang tayo kay Mr. Joven, our homegrown, 2 times Mr. Olympia qualifier. From my opinion, grabe yung back niya dito. And overall package. And yung good symmetry, grabe dito yung conditioning ni Sir Joven. Fullness ng muscle and yung balance, yung back post ni Sir Joven. And guys, tingnan nyo yung V-shape form na shoulders to waist. Sinusubaybayan ko to palagi si Sir Joven hanggang nagkaroon siya ng show sa muscle contest. Hanggang sa Olympia. Congratulations, IFBB Pro Joven Sagibine. You deserve it all. And marami kami na-inspire na atleta dahil sa iyo, sir. And looking forward kami sa next accomplishment mo. And sino kaya magiging next Olympian qualifier? For more men's physique update, just follow me. Have a great day and more gains sa atin. Just follow me. Have a great day and more gains sa atin.